All right, and here it is, everybody. The old frame. Everybody say goodbye. I'm gonna pull these lever shocks off. Obviously, everyone knows how expensive those are. Get them rebuilt, but here she is. Got a couple more pieces I need to take off, and then it's getting hauled away to the junkyard. So it's been a good run, but glad to see the rust go away. And let me give you guys an update of what's going on inside the shop. So as you can see, an update from last video, I got one coil installed. Obviously the shock's not installed. I don't have those bottom brackets yet, but yeah, she's got this left side installed. Wasn't as bad as I thought it was gonna be. I'll show you guys the tool I used, and I think if anyone wants, you guys can comment and I'll film a video of me installing the right side one. I have the pan, the spring pan, in getting clear coated right now, so maybe tomorrow I think I'll have it installed. But if you guys want a video, anyone new out there, I'll show you how to do it or how I did it. There's a lot of tools out there, you know, spring compression tools. The I think it's Dr. Doolin spring compression tool, but that thing is like $150, and I'll show you guys what I made here. So I made this homemade contraption, and this was probably $10-15. So what I did is I had these this is on the top, these washers on the top, kind of acting as the shock, and this was my bottom setup. Literally just a little piece of steel, a handful of washers, installed it, ran the top down, and then just wrenched from there. Wrenched both sides a little bit. But yeah, I mean, this is homemade. You don't need all the expensive equipment. This was maybe $10, $15, $20 to make. I'm not sure exactly how much it costed me, but some grade 8 hardware, grade 8 all thread. I use 3/8. I know some people say it's a little sketchy. I use 3/8. Didn't give me any issues. So I have the other coil ready to go. So yeah, it's exciting. But yeah, if anyone wants to see that coil install, just drop a comment. I don't plan on filming it, but if someone would like to see it happen, I mean, I'll gladly make it happen. Also have some other things going on. Got some sandblasting going on, the U-bolts, the brake mount, so that's exciting. I have my other side for the rack up front ready to go. So yeah, I'm pretty much waiting on that spring pan to dry. I'll show you guys later in the video. I was going to show you now, but I'll pan over to it later in the video. Other than that, there's still a lot going on. Engine disassembly has started, and it's not looking good so far. As you can see, I pulled off the manifold, and wow, it is disgusting in there. I'm almost scared to take this head off. Not sure what to expect. I mean, I don't have very high hopes of it looking anywhere halfway decent in there. So that's how it looks in there. Another nasty discovery. Obviously, it's just cooling and rust and everything, but I had a head snap off, but look how nasty that is in there. Show you guys the rockers. Don't look too bad. But yeah, as you can see, definitely not the best looking engine. I'm already making plans to get the tranny rebuilt soon before I start on the engine, but yeah, it's not looking good so far. I mean, all we can do is keep tearing down and see what it looks like inside, and bring you guys along for that, of course. Manifold that was removed, the carb manifold. All right, and this is the biggest victory of the day. I mean, if you remember what this differential looked like, which I'll flash a picture again to remind you guys, and obviously I saw a little bit in primer. But this is a huge victory. I mean, this thing almost looks brand new. This is what I'm most excited about. This took maybe a week of grease removal. I mean, it's all over the floor. I have to scrub this place with Dawn when I'm done. But obviously I have to flip it over to the other side tomorrow. But yeah, this looks beautiful. I mean, I'm gonna flash you guys a picture of what it looked like before. I'll flash that for you guys one more time. So yeah, as you guys can see, it is just, I'm just so happy with the way this came out. I mean, I couldn't be happier. Obviously it's not done yet, but make sure you guys like, subscribe, comment what you're thinking if you're following along so far. I'm enjoying making these videos, letting you guys follow along the journey. Yeah, that's about it. It's just a little update. I'm starting to post every other day, every couple of days, just because I've been doing so much more, been a lot more active. So yeah, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and let me know what you guys think so far. I'll see you guys next video.